Hi guys, it's Alpha Blue and you're welcome to yet another daily Euro USD fundamentals and technical analysis. So guys, in this video, we're going to quickly be analyzing the Euro dollar and see what to expect in this London session. But before we jump into that, let me start, excuse me, let me start from the fundamental side of things. So this is Forex Factory. Looking out to this event, we have three red events today. The first one is called retail sales, and prelim consumer sentiment. So those are the events for today. 1:30, 3 p.m. Nigerian time. So let's read what this is. Change in the total value of sales at the retail level excluding automobile. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Now, this is the main thing you should be paying attention to. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So by 1:30, we'll wait for this. If actual is greater than forecast, it means it is good for the dollar. If actual is less than forecast, it means the dollar will dump. So this actual greater than forecast is good for currency. And this actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So these are the three events that we should be anticipating today. Then we'll see how the market reacts to it after the event has been released. But heading back to the chart right now, you know that yesterday and day before yesterday has been very terrible for the dollar. Dollar has just been dumping, consequently causing Euro USD to be pumping, buying. So we had CPI day before yesterday, we had PPI yesterday, and all of the data that was released was bad for the dollar. So the dollar was falling. Now, if we are to go to the higher time frame, let's start the analysis on the higher time frame. This is the weekly. And as you can see, the weekly has been very bullish over the past weeks. But right now, if you go to the daily time frame, you see that we are at a very strong level of supply. Look at this order block right here. So that is why I'm beginning to feel that, okay, today being Friday, the close of the week, the market may decide to chill out at this level. The market may decide to chill out at this level, just retrace a bit before probably next week we begin to see more bullish action on Euro USD. But let us analyze DXY first. Now, there's something I saw that is very interesting on DXY. This is DXY on the daily time frame. If you see right here, DXY is at a level where, at a liquidity zone. This is like a demand area that price began to push up from February all the way till here before we had price come back. So right here, there are going to be a lot of liquidities resting right here. There are going to be a lot of buy orders, buy limit orders. They are probably going to be sell stops even resting below here. But from what I'm seeing right here, I just have that bias that if you look very well, you see that price kind of cleared the low a little bit though before we're beginning to see this push to the upside. So I feel price DXY may just retrace back a bit because of this zone right here. It may just have cleared the liquidity here and then cleared the sell stops, picked the buy limit, and maybe push up, let's say all the way to somewhere around here. Come back to this level here before we begin to continue the excuse me, before it continues the bearish move it has been doing all this while. So this is what is making me at least feel that for today we may see price push up and close the week like that. Then next week we continue to the downside. So if this is what you expect for the dollar, that means DXY is that means Euro USD is going to do the opposite. And if you look at the chart for Euro USD, this liquidity right here has been cleared. This liquidity right here has been taken, and there is a daily order block resting above this liquidity. Look at it right here. So that's why I feel for today we may see price push to the downside, then probably pushed all the way to this place, to this place before we see the continuation. So we may see something like this. So this is what I'm expecting because of this other block that is here. But bear in mind that what will affect this price the most is the fundamental side of things. And you know that right now inflation has been dropping, or is showing signs of dropping. So the Fed are going to ease out on increasing the interest rate. So that will make the dollar to weaken. And if that happens, then we will continue to see bullish moves on Euro USD. Euro USD will continue to break highs and keep going higher. So I'm expecting that due to the fundamental nature of this market, Euro USD will continue being bullish. But for the short term, considering here to be a high time frame order block, and considering that liquidity I showed you on the DXY, I'm expecting for the short term that we'll get this. We'll see this pullback, and the market will continue to buy, probably from next week. So if you come to let's go down to the lower time frame to see what to expect. The 4-hour has tapped the other block on the daily. If you come to 1 hour, this is 1 hour right here. Now, this is the 30 minutes time frame. So this is what I was expecting. I kind of drew out a zone that I was expecting price to break, and I'm looking to short the market at least to somewhere like this. This is what I'm waiting to do right now. I actually took a loss this early morning when the market broke structure right here. I took a sell, but then it hit my stop loss, and now it's coming back down. And let's go to the 5 minutes. Okay, as you can see, it broke the 5 minutes here, but I entered too early. It didn't really give a very strong break of structure here, but I just entered the market, put my stop loss above here, and then it took it out. But right now, if you look at the price again, and from the lower time frame, you see that the price is beginning to give this continuous change of character to the downside. So that's one way to look at it, that we may see this bearish move because of the way the market is beginning to change character right here at this other block. This was the Asian session. The market was just ranging, tapped it, and then changed character, came up. Now it has changed character for the second time. So right now, this is the like area of supply I'm looking at. The last bullish move. If you go to the 3 minutes, this is the last bullish move before the bearish move that broke structure right here. Let me show you. Structure has been broken again here, right? So this is the last bullish move that gave the bearish move that broke structure to the downside. So that's why I'm marking out this zone as my area to look for sales. So I've set my sell limit here, waiting to see what price will do. So if price gives us an entry, fine. Then we'll see if this bearish move continues, at least for the short term. So this is my analysis on Euro USD today. Let's see what the market does. Let's see what the market does. So as for targets, I'm looking to target this particular area of demand right here. This demand zone here, just for the short term. This is 1 to 6 RR. So let's see if we're able to get this. And if you look at the 15 minutes, there's a very clean, strong bullish candle. Look at this indecision candle, another candle. Then we have a bearish candle, a very strong bearish candle. So this could like signify that the bears are in the market, especially that it gave another break of structure to the downside. So we could just see how this plays out. We'll just see how this plays out. Let me see. 30 minutes. Okay, so this is where I was illustrating that we may get to see price reach. But for the short term, I may just target here and see how it does, how it reacts. So that's it for today, guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Cheers and see you guys in the next one.